Imagine a mind that is consistently sharp, resilient, and overflowing with energy. This state of peak cognitive performance is not a genetic lottery reserved for a few, but a biological possibility available to anyone willing to optimize their internal environment. The journey to a stronger brain begins not with complex mental exercises, but with understanding and nurturing the microscopic power plants within your cells, the mitochondria. Your brain, a mere 2% of your body weight, consumes a staggering 20% of your body's energy. This immense demand is met by these tiny cellular engines. The health and efficiency of your mitochondria directly dictate the clarity of your thinking, the speed of your recall, and the endurance of your focus. When mitochondria are overburdened, often by the invisible toxins in modern food, light, and air, they sputter. Energy production falters, and the result is the all-too-familiar brain fog, forgetfulness, and mental fatigue. Beyond energy production, the very architecture of your brain is malleable. Your thoughts and memories travel along vast neural networks built from neurons. The health of these connections is paramount. Neurons are insulated by a fatty sheath called myelin, which allows signals to travel with lightning speed and precision. The raw material for this crucial insulation comes from the stable, saturated fats found in foods like grass-fed butter and meat. Furthermore, your brain retains the lifelong ability to create new neurons, a process called neurogenesis. You can actively promote this renewal by enjoying polyphenol-rich foods like dark chocolate and blueberries, engaging in regular exercise, and even through healthy sexual activity. This isn't just about maintenance, it's about upgrading your mental hardware for enhanced learning and emotional resilience. A silent saboteur of cognitive function is chronic inflammation. While acute inflammation is a vital healing response, a constant, low-grade inflammatory state wreaks havoc on the brain, impairing learning and attention long before it manifests as disease. This inflammation is heavily influenced by the balance of fats in your diet. Modern diets are flooded with omega-6 fatty acids from processed vegetable oils, which promote inflammation. The antidote is to increase your intake of anti-inflammatory omega-3s, abundantly found in wild-caught seafood like salmon, to restore a healthy balance and cool the inflammatory fires that cloud your mind. Empowering your brain requires a two-pronged nutritional strategy, embracing brain-building foods and eliminating brain-draining ones. To build, focus on specific nutrients. Polyphenols, potent antioxidants from colorful plants, do more than combat cellular damage, they actively fight inflammation and stimulate neurogenesis. For optimal neurotransmitter function, the chemistry of mood, focus, and calm ensure your diet includes the amino acid building blocks found in beef, turkey, almonds, and salmon. Simultaneously, you must be vigilant in removing harmful substances. Industrially produced trans fats are particularly destructive, damaging cell membranes and impairing mitochondrial function. Perhaps surprisingly, conventional milk can be problematic for many, often provoking inflammatory responses that disrupt gut health and, consequently, brain health. Finally, consider an often overlooked environmental factor, light. Just as you consume visual information, your body consumes light itself, which directly impacts your cellular energy. The blue heavy, flickering spectrum of many LED lights and screens can strain your mitochondria, disrupting sleep cycles and contributing to mental fatigue. Seeking out natural, full-spectrum light and minimizing exposure to artificial junk light is as crucial for your brain as choosing real food over processed junk. By integrating these principles, fueling your mitochondria, nurturing your neurons, quelling inflammation, eating strategically, and curating your environment, you move beyond mere function. You build a foundation for a mind that is not only headstrong, but also effortlessly clear, powerfully focused, and resiliently energetic.